What's up, you guys? Coach KS coming to you with a quick tutorial today. So we're all impacted by, being quarantined from the coronavirus. We're all, a lot of us, most of us, at least all my clients are all in the house on stay-at-home orders in the state of Washington, and the gyms are closed. The park equipment is all taped up, shut off. Can't go use it. They don't want you touching it, playing on it, and all that stuff. So we're left with whatever we have laying around the house. And so if you have some resistance bands and you're running out of options as far as how to use them, and you don't have one of these door attachment kits, so these door attachment kits right here, it's a foam roller on one side with the hook on the other side, and it goes over the door like so. Close the door, and now you have an anchor. I use these here for TRX as well as for resistance bands. If you don't have one of these here and you're wondering how can you still do all the exercises, the anchored exercises, without having the door anchor, this tutorial is going to be for you. So what we're going to do today is sacrifice an old t-shirt. Right? This is just a regular old plain white t-shirt. It's going to get sacrificed today. What we're going to do is take the t-shirt, grab it by the bottom end, so the opening end, grab it by the bottom end here, and you're going to make a knot in it. Nothing special, just a regular old knot. If I can get my bearings together. Pull it far up towards the top as you can get it. Alright, now we got a knot on the end of it. Now what that's going to do is that's going to serve as the anchor on the other side. So now we're going to take this t-shirt, throw it over the door, flatten it out some. If your door's tight, you're going to need some spec. You're going to need it to be kind of flat to be able to close the door. Like my door is really tight, so I need to flatten it out. Close the door. Now grab it by the two sleeves, bunch it all together, boom, we got that. Now, what we're going to do is take your resistance band, run it up through the hole between the sleeves, between the neck, bring it out the other side, loop it in, boom, door anchor. There we go, baby. So now with this door anchor, you can do all kind of stuff. You can do chest presses, all right? You could do overhead tricep extensions. You can do lat pull downs with it. You can take it and move it to the side of the door. You can do rows with it. I can take and do face pulls with it. I can do face pulls. Obviously, I'm trying to stay in the camera, but I will stretch it out more to do it properly, right? So I just want to give you guys some other ideas, some ways that you can create some new exercises for yourself. Everybody should have an old t-shirt in the house. Like I said, sacrifice one is for the greater good. Make yourself a door anchor like this here. This is just as good as using one of the anchors you can buy, and you'll be able to open up your exercise variety. I hope this helps you guys. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel so you guys can catch new videos as I post them out. I'm going to be doing more content on the channel to keep everybody going throughout this coronavirus outbreak. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Oh, if you're interested in one-on-one personal training, I do virtual personal training. I'm a certified online trainer, certified personal trainer, and a certified nutrition coach. So I do all-in-one personal fitness and nutrition coaching, all virtually. You can get the information on my website. That's www.coachks.com. I'll post a link to that down in the description. If you guys are interested in one-on-one virtual training for the accountability and the structure, holler at your boy and we'll get you taken care of. Y'all be good. Peace.